Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding doing the right thing. People of character do the right thing even when no one else does, not because they think it will change the world, but because they refuse to be changed by the world. As right is right even when everyone's against it, and wrong is wrong even when everyone's for it. So let's not base our behavior on the behavior of others. Ask yourself, is what you're about to do moral, ethical, and legal? If you can honestly answer yes, summon the courage and proceed. However, if the answer is no, remember, it's not who's right, but what's right that is important. At times, it's better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing. So, whenever doing the right thing conflicts with your personal interests, do the right thing. Because once you lose your integrity, you've lost your way. Enjoy the day.